خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. Welcome to QT Education YouTube channel, Quran Tajweed Education. Today, inshallah, we will start Quran with Tajweed tutorial from first chapter to the last chapter, Surah An-Nas. Today we will start Surah Fatiha, and inshallah, daily or weekly we will read 2 to 3 lines with Tajweed. If you have any question, you can write down in comment below. And if you or your kids want to learn Quran, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and my WhatsApp number and website in description. So let's start. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد. You will say after me. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Next ayah. 1 second. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Alhamdulillah, we read first Surah Fatiha, and Surah Fatiha also called Kitab. And you know, this surah is the most recited by people. This surah is commonly recited by the people. This is the world famous surah. Surah Fatiha is the world famous surah, and Alhamdulillah, all Muslims memorize this surah. And so I want you to teach your kids this surah, and inshallah next time we will start Surah Baqarah, and please you will follow. Please you will watch my next video, and see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.